Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great start of your morning, of your work day, of your day off. I hope you guys are having a great day overall. What are we working on today, Carlos? We're working on a Audi. As always, let me get a double take. S5. One day they're gonna create a meme of me that I don't know my cars, which that's okay with me. But anyways, we're working on an Audi S5. Customer just got it back from the body shop, and well, she just needs it to look clean again, which there is nothing wrong with that. Usually, guys, when you get cars from from the body shop, they tend to be heavily dusty and everything. But on this case, the car is in great shape. I've already gone and vacuumed it out. When I show you this car, guys, it looks no different. These customers maintain their vehicles very well. I'm actually on location at AUDI. They're the ones who do my they did my logos, they do all my dry fit shirts, they do my hats, and I'm actually here to pick up some shirts today that I had ordered. But anyways, that's besides the point. We're gonna be doing a interior detail, steam cleaning the leather, just getting it back into shape, and just the interior only. And I think some of you guys are probably wondering, Carlos, every video we've seen, you're probably doing interiors only. Why is that? No, it's just there's rain in the forecast. There's some heavy rain coming down here later on. So this is the racing game, because I got to get this done before the weather gets any worse. Supposedly they're calling for some hail, and I hope they know where to put this car, because I wouldn't want hail to be hitting this sucker. But anyways, before I start this video, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for your support and everything you guys have done for myself and giving me the opportunity to showcase a little bit of my life, of my work with you guys. It's truly a blessing. I've reached 4,000 subscribers, which I am beyond grateful. And for this next round, I'm aiming for 5,000 subscribers, guys. And this next part is a giveaway I'm going to be doing, all right? I'm going to be giving away probably my first tool that I purchased, and it has been truly a blessing in my business. I started with it. It is a workhorse. When I would talk about it, I would get many feedback on it, like, oh, that thing sucks. You got to get this brand or that brand. But for those who have followed my channel from the beginning, you guys have known that I am not a name brand person, all right? Harbor Freight is life. Harbor Freight is my mall. But anyways, when I reach to 5,000 subscribers, guys, I want to give back, or I want to give away a Central Machinery steamer. And I hope you guys can hear me. I went and purchased this steamer, which is the very first one that I started my business with, all right? My old one is going around 3 years strong, and it's still pushing. But I really wanted to give back to you guys for the support, so I went and bought one of these. So I want to give it back to somebody. Now, here is how this is gonna work for the 5,000 subscriber winner. And I hope the professionals or the ones that are doing well in their business, you guys can understand. This giveaway is going to be strictly and only for new detailers, and I hope you guys don't hate me about it, but I just want to give to the new detailers, for the upcoming detailers. So whenever I reach to 5,000 subscriber, guys, I'm gonna be giving out this steamer away for free. Now, how you can enter, guys, I want you guys to send me an email. They should be somewhere here on YouTube where my email is at. If you are thinking of starting your business, or you don't have all the equipment to start your business, or you need a steamer for your business, if you are starting, email me, tell me a little bit about your business, how long you started, what got you into detailing. Just tell me a little bit about you. I want to get to know each and every one of you guys that will be entering this giveaway. When I reach to 5,000, I will pick one winner from all those emails I receive. And you never know, maybe I could have more, guys. I work a lot, and this is all my own money. These aren't like sponsored or anything like that. It's all my money that I spend to give back. So I go out there and buy some, and you never know, maybe I'll have maybe one more for the giveaway. I don't know. depending how long it takes to get there. But anyways, email me guys your business name, what's your name, tell me a little bit about you. I want to get to know you, and one lucky winner when we reach the 5,000 mark will be receiving this Central Machinery steamer. It is a workhorse, guys. You guys have seen me use this many times on my videos. I have zero complaints from the get-go. All right, I have beat mine up. Obviously you guys recently saw that I moved over to the Causeway, which is right over here, just because it was orange. But man, my Harbor Freight, it will always be in my heart. I will go buy that one in a heartbeat because it works. But anyways, let's get back to work. We're gonna be doing the first part. We already vacuumed it. We already blew it out with the Vortex air tool. Now it's time to clean all the plastics, all the leathers, and then we're gonna get to steam cleaning the carpet. This vehicle, since I serviced it, is mostly more steam cleaning, just because I don't want to put too much cleaners in it, because they maintain it, so I don't want to deteriorate the material. It's not like it is going to deteriorate it. Using Serrano saws, as usually I have had zero issues with this vehicle. So anyways, let's get back to work and let's have some fun. Tip number one on what do I do when I blow the interior, guys. When you're blowing the interior, you really don't want too much pressure out of your compressor. All right, especially when working when these kinds of models, you gotta be very fragile, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a quick tip on this gear shifter. So let me get to the other side and I will show you guys what to do. All right, so the scenario is gonna be right here in this gear shifter. Jesus Christ, as always, I don't know how to talk. No, you good, keep going. All right, so whenever you're working around buttons, guys, especially Chevys have a trouble of buttons flipping off. Sometimes on their steering wheel, guys, they will fall off too, or you will peel them. If you've ever had that issue, guys, don't panic. They're just made, I don't know how. But anyways, all right, the way I clean these areas right here, I got my steamer going. I just steam it, guys. And I'm using this this bristle brush right here. I bought this at Walmart. It was like $1 or something. And I use it a lot for the buttons, just to kind of get all the, sometimes there's little crumbs in there, anything like that. All right. And I haven't had any issues of this brush scratching anything, so, which is a plus. And this one you can kind of get into these areas as well. So it has multi-uses. So anyways, the PSI, guys, I have it at 50. All right, when using a Vortex air tool, you guys already know this thing will start spinning, and as it starts spinning, it's creating the air that sometimes creates peeling. So when doing interiors, I have the PSI at about 50, very low. And there you go, guys. You don't need a lot of air to clean these areas. All right, just a quick tip for you guys. I know some of us like to use a lot of pressure. Obviously, if it's cloth, should put that Vortex air tool to 140, and if you want to kind of agitate it that way, you can. But anyways, that was tip number one, guys. Just a quick show of how I do things, especially with these kinds of cars, and we'll see you here in a few. Kind of the final step, obviously. We are now dressing the interior, and today we're going to be using Mcguire's Natural Shine, which the bottle looks like this. So this is Mcguire's Natural Shine, guys. This is like literally one of my favorite ones to carry, especially when working with these kinds of vehicles. I don't want to be I don't want the dressing to be too overbearing, and I actually put it into my detail gun. All right, I didn't dilute it, to be honest. I am using it straight, so let's see how it turns out. I think the beauty of this actually is because it smells so good. And it leaves you a really nice shine. I use it for pretty much everything, guys. To be honest, I will use this product on leather, leather, plastics, because it gives it that nice color. And I'll show you guys how it turns out once it's all applied. I've tried it on leather many times, and I really like the way that the product dries out, or you know, it turns out really nice. It's not like a crazy shine, if that makes sense. And it's really spraying it really nicely out of the detail gun. Let me back the camera up just a little bit, and then we'll keep going. One of the reasons I like using this dressing or this conditioner is because it truly leaves you a nice fragrance. A little bit of this product really goes a long way, guys. A lot of my customers, they're like, I want my leather to be like shiny. So that's the reason at times you guys will see me using aqua gloss. So I'll use aqua gloss, but for this one I'm using the Mcguire's natural shine, and this will look really nice, guys. It will not have a over exaggerated. I got Daniel over there with Dan's Auto Detailing. He's cleaning the mats, but it's not like an overbearing gloss, which is why I like it. So and this is just an amazing look that it gives it. As far as the overspray with this product, very minimal, to be honest. I don't see a lot of overspray. Depending on the product, guys, is where you guys will see a lot of overspray. It's all on the product. So and I literally fill this canister about halfway with the dressing, and I'm literally almost around the whole car with just that half fill. I think it was like maybe past to the top of this little, you know. If you still haven't tried it, check it out, guys. I hope I'm in view, but check it out. Check out this gun. It is a time saver. Yes, not many people like turn it, the side one, the other one, yeah. As you guys see, guys, I have no editing in my videos. I learn as I go. So this is not edited, it's straight raw. But anyways, if you have yet to really give this a try, give it $13, guys, off of Harbor Freight, guys. It's really a no-brainer. You can use it for your tires, engine bay details. You can put, if you do sanitizing, you can put that product in here. Multiple uses to this, guys. Trim, to spray your trim. I've had so many guys inbox me with different ways that they're using it, and I'm like, dang, I never thought about that. So check it out, guys. Less than $14, guys, at Harbor Freight. You're really not spending a lot of money, guys. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of this. Well, this little bit of the car will be done, and I'll bring you guys with the final look on how this dressing dries up. So we'll be back. Hit it. Is it recording? Oh, whoops. Okay, restart it.
You go ahead.
Alrighty, guys, so Project Audi is now done. I'm gonna show you guys real quick the final look on this bad boy. Check out how it sounds. think it has turbo. I don't know a lot about cars, but I'm used to driving Toyota Camrys, guys. So, well, we're gonna give you a final look on how this thing looks. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna give you guys the final look how this car turns out. Overall, it turned out really well. We finished it just in time before this big old hailstorm comes, so hopefully they don't it doesn't get hit. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick close-up. This is obviously using the Mcguire's the one I showed you guys in the beginning. So the Mcguire's natural shine, guys. The Mcguire's natural shine, we use it all on the door panels, all inside these door handles, on the leather, guys. You guys will notice a huge difference between aqua gloss, guys, and this dressing, just because the shine is more natural on this one. It's not overbearing. It's perfectly how these customers love their interior. All right, we also cleaned the mats also, and I also actually did use the natural shine by Mcguire's on the mats too. That way it's not slippery, it's not sticky, it's not greasy, which is just the perfect combination for this vehicle, guys. So again, like on this one, guys, we did not do the exterior just because it is gonna be raining pretty soon. So that is the final outcome on this Audi. Beautiful Audi. We'll give you guys a final inspection onto the driver's side. That way you guys can get the full look, the full picture on how this car turns out. Took about 2 hours for the whole process. Steam clean everything on this vehicle, blow it out. Just what the customer needed from having it from the body shop. So overall, this vehicle turned out really nice, guys. These are, I love these seats on these. It's diamond stitching. Can't go wrong with that, guys. Really, you really can't. But anyways, guys, again, thank you so much for tuning in today and watching a little bit of how I work. Obviously live from Avodrock Center. The Audi Quattro is such a beautiful machine. Overall, I hope you guys have a blessed Friday, a happy Saturday, and a blessed Sunday, and I'll see you guys on Monday.